InboxDollars surveys often stop loading because the platform silently filters users based on demographics, device signals, or inconsistent answers. That means the issue is usually not your account being broken, but your profile or browser not matching what advertisers are currently accepting. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why surveys disappear or won't load on InboxDollars and the exact fixes that actually restore access instead of wasting time on random settings. First, the most common problem is your profile not matching survey demand anymore. InboxDollars doesn't send surveys randomly. It matches you to advertisers based on age range, location, income bracket, and recent answers. If you recently changed answers or rushed through screening questions, the system starts limiting your survey access. The fix here is simple. Go into your profile and make sure every section is fully completed and consistent. If anything looks outdated, correct it and save it again, so the system refreshes your targeting. Second issue is browser or app interference. Surveys often fail to load when ad blockers, privacy extensions, or strict tracking protection are active. InboxDollars surveys rely on third-party tracking scripts, and those get blocked easily. Turn off any ad blocker, disable privacy extensions, and allow cookies for InboxDollars. Then reload the app or log out and log back in. If you're on mobile, switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data can also bypass network-level blocking. Third issue is server-side survey availability. Sometimes there are simply no active surveys available for your profile at that moment. When that happens, the dashboard looks empty or keeps spinning. This is not a glitch. It means advertisers have temporarily paused matching for your profile type. Waiting a few hours and checking again often resolves it without changing anything. Another overlooked fix is clearing cached app data. Old cached sessions can break survey loading loops. On Android, clearing app cache resets the connection without deleting your account. On iPhone, reinstalling the app achieves the same result. If surveys still don't load after all of this, your account may be partially flagged for inconsistent activity, like repeated failed screenings. In that case, consistent, accurate answers over a few days usually restore normal access. To sum it up, profile mismatch, blocked tracking scripts, and low survey availability are the main reasons InboxDollars surveys stop working. Fix your profile, remove blockers, and reset the app connection before assuming anything is permanently wrong. Next step is simple. Go through your profile and browser settings one by one, and retest surveys after each change so you can identify exactly what was blocking access. Like and subscribe for more fixes that actually solve earning app issues without guesswork.